Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time, in this 9th video, I'd like to explain about past participles. If you wish to have good score in the TOEFL test, you do need to be careful of past participles. Past participles can cause confusion in the structure section of the TOEFL test because a past participle can be either a part of a verb or an adjective. The past participle is the form of the verb that appears with have or be. Contohnya, they have watched this movie 3 times. She has painted this picture. That present was brought by her granddaughter. Dengan kata lain, past participle adalah bentuk kata kerja ketiga. There are 2 kinds of verb 3 in English. Those that end in ed or regular verbs, and those that end in unpredictable form of irregular verbs. Examples of regular past participles are watch, menonton, cooked, memasak, studied, belajar, offered, menawarkan, painted, melukis. Examples of irregular past participles are brought, membawa, swam, berenang, written, menulis, thrown, melempar, become, menjadi. Look at these sentences. Number 1. Her aunt has purchased a television. Number 2. The novel was written by George. In the first sentence, the past participle purchased is part of the verb because it is accompanied by has. In the second sentence, the past participle written is part of the verb because it is accompanied by was. A past participle is an adjective when it is not accompanied by some form of be or have. Look at the sentences. Number 1. The television purchased yesterday was really expensive. Number 2. The novel written by George appeared in that shop. In the first sentence, purchased is an adjective rather than a verb because it is not accompanied by a form of be or have. And there is a verb was later in the sentence. In the second sentence, written is an adjective rather than a verb because it is not accompanied by a form of be or have. And there is a verb appeared later in the sentence. This example shows how a past participle can be confused with the verb in the structure section of the TOEFL test. The packages blank 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 mailed at the post office will arrive on Monday. Option A, have. Option B, were. Option C, them. Option D, just. In this example, if you look only at the first few words of the sentence, it appears that the packages is the subject and mailed is either a complete verb or a past participle that needs a helping verb. But if you look further in the sentence, you will see that the verb is will arrived. You will then recognize that mailed is a participial adjective and is therefore not part of the verb. Answer A and B are incorrect because mailed is an adjective and doesn't need a helping verb such as have or were. Answer C is incorrect because there is no need for the object them. Answer D is the best answer to this question. For another example, look at this question. The chapters blank 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 by the professor this morning will be on the next week's exam. Option A, they. Option B, were. Option C, taught. Option D, were taught. The subject of the sentence is the chapters. The verb in the sentence is will be. As the sentence has already had one subject and one verb, this sentence doesn't need subject and verb. If you choose A, this sentence will have double subjects, the chapters and they. If you choose B, this sentence will be grammatically wrong because were should be followed by noun, adjective, or past participle. If you choose D, this sentence will have double verbs, were taught and will be. Therefore, the best answer is C, taught, which functions as an adjective in the sentence. Okay, that's all about past participles. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.